So here I am going to show you how to make a file totally invisible. So I'm going to create a new file with random name. Just right click on it and rename. Use a right alt key and use a numpad to type 0160 and then release your alt key and just enter. So you can see this file is totally it has no name. Now we have to hide it. So now just click on the properties, customize, and go to the change icon. Now just scroll through it and choose the icon which is invisible, so this one. Okay, and apply. So you can see the file is totally invisible now, no one can see it, and you can place any file or anything in this folder. So I'm going to show you this. The second trick is to hide a file. So I'm just gonna create a new file with any name. So I will type Shreya's. Okay, so this folder already exists. Okay, fine. And I'm gonna use command prompt. So as this file is in the desktop, I'm gonna change the directory and just type attrib plus h plus s plus r and whatever your file name is. So my file name is Shreya's. Here we go. You can see this file is gone now. And if you want that file back, you just have to do the reverse thing, type the same and just put minus, or you can say hyphen, in the place of plus. So I'm gonna do it. So here you can see this file is written on your desktop. Thank you.